Are you ready to try the rice cereal? Oh, with the bib on in your face. All right, Daddy. Let's bring it on over. Yeah. Yeah. You have our spoon?
Oh.
Careful. Just a little bit, babe.
Oh, it's gonna be all over.
What do you think? Oh, do you like it? See if she goes right here. Oh.
She's like, I don't know.
Well, she's not rejecting it.
What?
Is it good?
She's like, if I could lick it off my hands, I'd like it. She's like, it doesn't taste like breast milk.
All right.